What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the no signal issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down, and here when the circle gets green, then release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the signal issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. So doing this will refresh the signals, and after refreshing the signals, the no signal issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the same issue, then try reinserting the SIM card. So take out the SIM card from your phone, clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning it, put it back in your phone again. Now after that, it will help you to fix the signals issue. So that's how you can fix the no signal issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.